Hey, so I'm about to do a hot oil treatment on my hair. I haven't did a hot oil treatment in a very long time. Like, my hair needs it. Like, I haven't did a hot oil treatment in a very long time. My hair needs it. I just been popping wigs and let's go. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment. I got these oils. They've been in the bottom of my like one of my shells. Do this one. It's not that much in there, so I'm gonna do this one. And this one, it looks so like dirty because I think this one had wasted out and I didn't even know, so I gotta clean this thing. So I gotta clean this container out, y'all, because it's like, oh my god, it's. Anyways, I'm gonna use this one. So I want to heat both of these up and put it on my hair. I think I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. Yeah, but my hair needs some treatment. It needs something. So we're gonna hot oil treat it, and I think I'm gonna just leave my hair like this, braid it up, and just put the oil on it, and just put a shower cap on it. I feel like if I leave it like this, it'll be better versus taking it down, trying to comb it out, and then putting oil on it. I don't know. I think I'm just keep it like this. I put the oil in it.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, I don't know my shower cap at, so ghetto. We have to use a plastic bag, which works fine. No, but we gotta use plastic bag because I can't find not one shower cap. Like, so yeah, a plastic bag, and I think I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes or probably longer. You can also do it overnight. Oh, my hair's itching already. Well, my hair been itching, but for some reason, this wild growth oil, it had made my hair itch, so that's why I had stopped using it. I know this was making my hair itch, so I had stopped like oiling my hair with it. So I don't know, but I think we're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes. Maybe longer. Maybe longer. The longer the better. The longer the better. So, yeah. Let it penetrate our scalp and our hair cuticles. Okay, y'all. So, I'll be back when, I don't know, probably in 30 minutes. I don't know, probably an hour. I don't know. I'm gonna probably cut Diva hair. Because she need a haircut. So I might cut her hair while I'm waiting. So yeah. Than 30 minutes. I had grease running everywhere. So it's been here for more than 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and wash our hair because it's itching. But it's been here for more than 30 minutes. So yeah, I think that's good enough. Gonna wash it out. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels so good. It's so good. Okay, yeah. We're gonna go ahead and wash it out. And see what it do. I don't know what I'm gonna do with our hair. I really don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I think I'm gonna flat iron it. Wear a little wrap or something. Put some curls in it. I don't know. But I'm finna wash y'all. This is what it's looking like. I about to take the braids down. The color so ooh. Okay, y'all, I am finished blow drying my hair. It's still a little damp. Y'all know it takes me forever to blow dry my hair. I think I'm blow dry a little bit more because it's still a little damp. But this is what it's looking like. My scalp do look a little bit more, you know, moisturized. It ain't as dry. So I think the hot oil treatment did help it. It feels softer, but I did use my Dollar Tree shampoo and conditioner. I've not been using this, so. But yeah, my hair is ambulance stick. Chicago. No. But anyways, y'all, yeah, my hair is a lot more softer. Like I said, the scalp do look more moisturized. I think I'm gonna flat iron it. Do me some little curls, you know, cute style like that or whatever. I don't know, but I'm gonna flat iron it. Do something real cute. But yeah, hot oil treatments are a must. So I think I'm gonna start back doing them, maybe once a month. I think I'm doing once a month so we can get our hair together. But I do need my ends clipped, so I gotta get that done, cause yeah. Anyways, y'all, let me go. I want to do something real cute. Y'all see my gray hair? This the second one, and there's one over here somewhere. Yeah, I got gray hair. Anyways, that's that on my hot oil treatment. I think I'm gonna make some chicken, maybe some pasta or something. So let me go see what I'm gonna cook. Well, let me get myself together to look a little better first. I was like deep for a while, so I'm taking her for a walk. And yeah, it's always something going on. I don't know what happened. Maybe somebody got stuck in the elevator or something. But it's always something. But maybe I don't know what happened. I'm nosy. I don't know what happened. Okay, I'm gonna cook some chicken backs. I ain't never seen no chicken backs being sold, and they super cheap too. So we gonna see what he do. Chicken backs. So I'm gonna cook these up, and I think I'll make some type of pasta. I didn't have this for like a couple of months. I'm just making because I don't know when I'll be able to make it and add some ground beef. So I think it just comes with the pasta and the sauce. So I'm just eating it like that, like a little lasagna soup or whatever. I don't know. We gonna see. Okay, y'all, here's the plate. So let's taste that. I look crazy, but let's taste that. It's good. It's really good. It definitely would have been quite with some ground beef. Next time I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna put some ground beef on it and some cheese and bake it. So make sure y'all subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see me do that. It's definitely giving lasagna without the meat, but it's giving lasagna. Okay, y'all, let's try these chicken backs. It's barely any meat on these backs, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna put some hot sauce and some sweet and sour sauce on it, and we're gonna heat it up. Some hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, sweet and sour. I don't know where I want to bite it at. I I guess on the back. I'm so lame. Alright. It's good. Even though it's not that much meat on this, it's good. It's good, y'all. I never seen nobody sell chicken backs. Is that new? Is that something like only Chicago do? But this was my first time seeing it at the grocery store I be going to that I told y'all I don't like. So this is my first time seeing it. So I don't know if the grocery stores do that, but chicken backs, I guess, is a thing now. Yeah. It was like really cheap, like $2 and some change for like 7 pieces. But you don't really get that much meat, so I guess that's why it's so cheap. I don't know, but oh, good. I mean, I guess it's worth it. You'll probably have to eat like 4 bags, 4 chicken backs. You'll probably have to eat like 4 chicken backs to get full with some sides. But I guess it's worth it. Some of them do have like meat on them, and some of them don't. So I don't know. Let me know if y'all have ever had chicken backs. Have y'all bought chicken backs and just cooked chicken backs? So let me know. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to go and enjoy the rest of my chicken backs in my lasagna soup, I guess. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you think, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you on the video. Peace.